In this video, I'll show you how you can create a QR code on Microsoft Word. Now first you want to enable the developer tab up here, and you can do that by right-clicking on any of these and choose customize the ribbon, find developer on the right hand side and make sure it's ticked. Then you want to head over to developer, press add-ins. If you don't have any in here, which you probably won't, you're going to go to the store and search for QR for Office. Then when you have this, you're just going to simply press add and it will come down in here under my add-ins. Now when you open this, double click, you can see out here it's going to open up this one. What you can do is you can enter, let's say youtube.com. You can choose the color, the size, and simply press insert. Now there will be a QR code right here, and if you scan it, it's gonna head over to the link that you put right here. You can also choose different colors if you want and different background, and that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.